In this video, we're solving for x. What that means is we're trying to find an answer where we have x on one side of the equal sign and whatever it's equal to, in this case is a number term, on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this. How do we do it? Okay, so what we need to do is we're going to look at the side of the equation that we have our unknown variable. So in this case, it's the left-hand side. And we're going to look at what other terms we have going on. What else is going on there, okay? Because if we want the x by itself, we're going to need to get rid of any other terms that are over there, okay? So in this case, we have this -7 or -7, subtract 7. Okay, in order to isolate our unknown variable, we need to take our other terms and perform the opposite operations, okay? So if this is subtract 7, if we add 7, okay, these two terms are going to end up equaling 0. They cancel each other out, okay? And x will be left by itself. That's exactly what we want, right? We want x by itself. Okay, but this is where it can get a little tricky, okay? Makes sense, okay, if we add 7, okay, add 7 minus 7, that's 0. But we can't just add 7 to one side of our equation, okay? If we do that, it leaves our equation unbalanced, and we've now changed our equation, okay? We're solving something different. That's not what we want to do. We want to solve the equation that we were originally given, okay? So in order to prevent this from happening, what we need to do is whatever we do to one side of our equal sign, we have to do it to the other side too, okay? So we added a 7, so we just simply need to add a 7 to the right-hand side as well, okay? Now, let's go ahead and simplify. We'll start with the left-hand side. Well, we need to combine our like terms. So we have the 7 minus 7, that's 0. They cancel each other out. That's what we wanted. And we're left just with its x, okay? And that is what we were trying to do, so it's perfect. Now let's look at this right-hand side. We have 20 plus 7. We can perform that operation, and we get 27. So our answer is x equals 27. Now, there's just one last thing we need to do, okay? In math, we have something called math convention, okay? It's just notation. It's just the way we write our answers and the way we write things in math. How that relates to this is that math convention tells us that when we're solving for an unknown variable, like this x, we want our answer to be written with our unknown variable on the left-hand side of the equal sign and whatever it's equal to on the right-hand side of the equal sign. So let's just check. Do we have that? We have our x, our unknown variable. It's on the left-hand side of the equal sign. And it's equal to our number term, 27, and that's on the right-hand side of the equal sign. And that's what math convention tells us we want. So we don't need to do anything further. Our answer is in the correct format. Okay, so once again, our answer is simply x equals 27. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.